realistic, undetectable, unclockable. And again, this unit is a glueless unit, guys, so you can go ahead and run that comb right through the front. It is not glued down whatsoever. Look at that. All right, guys, we are back today with another hair video. Shout out to RPGHair for sponsoring today's video. So they did go ahead and send me a really cute bob, guys. It is an ombre style. So we're going in with a little bit of color today. Now this unit is like a pre-everything cap style unit, guys. So it already comes pre-cut and all that kind of jazz. So this unit right here is a bob style unit, as you guys can see. So it's about 10 to 12 inches long. Now obviously you guys can see it is an ombre effect on this unit. So it goes from kind of like a natural rooted color into a blonde look. So what I think I'm gonna do with this unit today, guys, is go ahead and do like a light deep wave on it, add some baby hairs around the perimeter. This is a large cap size, as you guys can see, so there's a lot of space. So I'm gonna go ahead and tip the lace on this unit with some spray, and I'm gonna go ahead and do like a nice light deep wave style. I feel like this unit's gonna be very simple. It's a same day install for you guys today, so you guys know how that goes. The unit is a medium to average cap size, guys, and it is a very secure glueless unit. So today's video is going to be a same day install, glueless install. So we're just going to go ahead and jazz the unit up, make it look really cute, add a little finishing touches to it, and keep it pushing, guys. So as usual, I'm going to pop this unit off and put this unit. All right, guys, the wig is absolutely beautiful. I just want to point out how small the knots are in the front. The knots in front of this wig are super, super tiny. So I'm not gonna touch this area right here with any baby hairs. I'm literally gonna put it on the sides right here. The first thing I'm gonna do is just trim a little bit of this lace off on the edge right here. Some of this unnecessary lace right here because we don't need it. So I'm gonna cut that off just so that this, the unit could just like, you know, lay seamlessly without that extra lace. And I'm gonna do the same thing on this end right here as well. Just trim that extra little lace off. Let me see. Just like this. And I'll probably take a little bit of this side off as well too, because we just don't need it. It's not necessary right now, so trim this lace off. So again, like I said, so this unit overall is pretty. I love the color. I thought the color was gonna go a little bit clashy, but it's not bad at all. Absolutely love it. So what I'm gonna do now is go ahead and create a few little baby hairs. Now I did say that I wanna do the baby hairs mostly on the sides, actually where this part is, just because that's where like kind of the wig cap ends. I'm gonna go ahead and do like a baby hair right here, like a nice fluffy one. You guys know I've been working on doing fluffy baby hairs lately. I feel like I've been doing a pretty good job. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab my hot comb and I'm gonna go ahead and pull that hair down and separate it from the scalp. Again, they did an excellent job with the knots on this unit. Look at these knots. Very, very pretty, super singular knots. Like, look at that. They did such a good job in the front pre-plucking this as well too. So again, I'm gonna go ahead like that. I'm gonna use the hot comb just to kind of pull this part down here because we wanna hide that little area where the lace, where the wig cap comes in. All right, guys, so now that I got this much hair out right here, I'm gonna go ahead and trim that. I'm not gonna wait, we're just gonna go ahead and trim it. We just want it to be like a nice amount to get a nice little curl going on right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab my mini flat iron, and we're gonna go ahead and just bump that little curl right there. Now, again, I want this to look like natural and not too like, you know, plastered. So I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of leave this little hair to do its own thing without making it too plastered looking. I'm gonna go ahead and spray some hairspray right here at the top, just so that, oh, that hairspray smells good. And this hairspray that I'm using is actually from 𝐒𝐿. It's the Iron Guard hairspray, and it smells really, really good. I got it on sale at TJ for like $3, which is a good deal. So definitely look at this 𝐒𝐿 Iron Guard style and go. Heat Guard does a really good job. And again, we want to get this part right here concealed. We don't want that to show. So we just want to make sure we put that flat iron down on this area here, just to kind of get it so it's natural looking. So again, didn't do too much to that baby hair. I'm gonna go ahead and spray the back of the comb and see if I can get this little hair to just do me like a nice natural swig. Nothing crazy, just naturally baby hair right there. Don't ask me why, I just feel like a nice baby hair on this side will look cute. So probably like up into here. Yeah, up into here. So this is perfect right here for a baby hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and just comb and hot comb this way and close everything up like that. So everything else is smooth and seamless. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and cut in no particular order cut, and then we're gonna go ahead and curl that little hair up, just like the other side. Alright guys, so this is what the front of the perimeter of the unit looks like. I feel like it looks pretty clean. I did 2 little baby hair swiggles. I am heating up my deep waver right now, and we're gonna go ahead and do some deep waves. I'm gonna do like not too many buff deep waves. I just want it to look nice and beach wavy and nice, and then we're gonna top it with hairspray and then end the video. Very simple, guys. I love this unit. It's very cute. Now I was worried about the color being too much of like a bleach blonde looking type of unit, but I actually think the color works really nice on this one. Again, I'm super impressed by the knots. They did an excellent job with these knots in the front. It's very realistic, undetectable, unclockable. And again, this unit is a glueless unit, guys, so you can go ahead and run that comb right through the front. It is not glued down whatsoever. Look at that. So again, I'm gonna just do like, I'm actually just do it in the middle just because this is a big deep waver and the unit that I have on is about 10 to 12 inches. So I think I'm gonna start right there. I think this is gonna be perfect for the length of this hair. I don't wanna make it, yeah, that's actually perfect. So we're gonna just do one like middle. We're gonna catch right in the middle. Cause like I said, the hair already came with like a little wave and I feel like just right in the middle will be perfect. We're gonna spread some of that chi on here. And I think that's gonna look super cute. You guys can already see how this side is coming out. Cover this little piece right here perfectly, so all you see is that little baby hair. Very nice and natural on this unit, guys. So, okay, just like that. And I'm gonna actually go ahead and pull this part. But I like to do the front last, but since I'm gonna just show you guys how I'm gonna end, I'm gonna do the top part, because there's really no point, it's just deep waving. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this one up, and then show you guys this part too, because these parts in the front are, you know, pinnacle parts. You want the front of the hair to look really nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this part like this and go ahead and spray it. So you guys can see it looks really nice. And the ends can stay straight. I feel like the straight ends just look better anyways. It just makes the hair look like it's less like you didn't try too hard. Y'all know what I mean? Like, it don't look like you tried that hard to get the style. We want it to be kind of like a nice, natural, loose wave. So at this part right here, we're gonna kind of go a little bit towards the top and just like slide it a little bit like this, and then one at the end. So just to give it like a little bump at the top so it can look more realistic. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this side too, guys. And hopefully this is giving what it needs to give. I felt like this was a simple hairstyle, a nice kind of like deep wave style. Because this hair was shorter and it did come with like a little bit of wave to it, I felt like it would look better like this. Now if you want to, you can go ahead and do you like a nice little bob. But for some reason, I felt like with the color and just adding a deep wave look, and I went in put these oversized Bottega inspired earrings on, and it just felt like it was giving more of a 90s vibe, a 90s type of feel. So I absolutely love it. Again, my favorite part about this unit is the hairline. These single knots in the front are absolutely gorgeous. And again, guys, the unit is super glueless. There's no glue on this unit whatsoever. So I literally could like lift this wig up and shift it. Even after placing these baby hairs, there is nothing I can't do with this unit. The baby hairs will fall right back into place, guys, which is one thing I absolutely love about these pre-everything units. So this unit is gorgeous, guys. RPGHair did a really good job with this one. Again, the color for me in the beginning was definitely very shocking, but I had to go ahead and accessorize and kind of work with the hairstyles. Not all the time when you get like blonde hair and stuff like that, especially for my people, my women of color. Blonde hair, you definitely have to play around with it for looks. It goes with me when it comes to outfits. You guys already know my hair has to go with specific outfits, so you just kind of gotta play with this one. I definitely feel like black and like dark colors definitely look good with blonde hair on women of color, and white as well too. So I kind of go with those type of spectrum colors just because it looks better. I don't know, maybe I'm just saying this, but I know some of y'all know exactly what I'm talking about. So absolutely love this. The hair is super soft too, so I can just run my hands through it, shake it, and that's another reason why I wanted to do the deep wave with this one, because it is such a nice base. The lace on this unit is very soft and fine. So, well, the lace is soft and fine, but y'all know what I mean. The lace is very, very nice and soft. It's not a thick lace. They didn't put too much hair and make it bulky, so you can go ahead and slide your hands through it for more of a natural effect. So I thought this was cute, guys. Again, if you want to go ahead and straighten it, you can. You can put some curls in it, but I felt like the deep wave look definitely gives it more of a natural, kind of like fun, like summer, fresh beach wave type of look. So I kind of felt like that kind of look was giving what it needed to give, guys. So let me know what you guys think about this one. Definitely a very cute little style. Add some accessory earrings on with it, you know, jazz it up a little bit, little light baby hairs or whatever, and you're pretty much good to go, guys. So as always, I will leave all the information down below per usual, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye.